Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Patriot. So what a wonderful day. When I opened up social media, I saw that Gelofte Dag or Vow Day for the Boer people of South Africa was celebrated in more than 200 locations all over South Africa. Now I just want to say that it makes me extremely happy, it makes me extremely proud that we can recognize the miracle that took place on this day. And you know what? The government of today actually changed today's public holiday to something like Reconciliation Day. And I know within themselves, they just hate the fact that white people are still around. And the reason why white people in South Africa are still around is specifically because of this day. Within your DNA, white man, within your DNA is things good and great, things that can create, things that plow, things that build, things that create a future. Although we are persecuted, we are one of the most persecuted nations on earth, yet we still strive to be better. We still strive to create something. This government took our towns, took our cities, they renamed them to names that and people they don't even know themselves. They break down our monuments, they break down our language, they break down who we are as white people. But white people keep on living in South Africa, and it makes me extremely proud. We need to braai more, barbecue more, and we need to make more kids. That's what we need to do as white South Africans. That's quite a tall order, but that's what we need to do. May God bless all of you, and I'm extremely proud of all of you. God bless.